Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about another Git command which is actually safe, known as Git Revert. Let's say that if you have a new commit and you realize that you want to revert this commit, you want to revise this commit, you want to go back to the previous commit. In this case, you are going to use this particular command known as Git Revert. The advantage of the Git Revert is, if you are going to revert this commit, you don't need to worry about this, because whenever you are going to revert this commit, it is going to create the new commit. And in this, you are going to get this. Okay. So this is like a save command, and let's understand this practically so you will get idea about it. Okay. Here I am going to create one directory, mkdir, and here I am going to give command revert. Okay. It's going to the revert directory, and here I am going to create this git repo. Done. Now it is I have to have some commits, so I am going to give the command creating the file echo. Okay. First change and file name file1. Okay. Git add file1, git commit, let's say that version 1. Okay, I'm going to create another commit as well. Okay, so here I'm going to say second change. Okay, git add file1, and here I'm going to say version 2. Now I just created two commit. I'm going to see this like git log. Okay, and I found that, whatever that I have in the version 2, I want to rewind this. Okay, I don't want version 2 commits. So how I will rewind this or revert this? Okay, so idea is very simple. You just need to give the command git.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our Git GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.